Welcome to my channel. My name is SilynthiaC, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today, you guys, happy Freebie Friday. We are back at it once again. So very glad to see this happening. I have some savings goals that I am working on, and I want to keep pushing forward. Hopefully I can continue on and you all get to see some wins. Anyway, let's count up what we're stuffing today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We have $50 that we are working with today, and I am so glad. I went ahead and switched out the bills before I came on to do this cash stuffing. I'm not certain that I actually needed the smaller bills, but let me pause this video. I'm running a video from one of my... Sorry about the interruption there. So what we have is what we have. I really wish I would have thought it through where I left some bigger bills, but since I didn't, we're just going to work with it, and then I'll figure it out at a later date when I actually need the funds. We have 6 savings challenges, and we have our players cards, which you can find in our shop, SilynthiaC Budget Creations. And so I'm just going to use these cards to get some saving done today. I was going to roll the dice, but I figured we haven't done the players cards in a while, and we have a little bit of cash to work with today. And I did not pull out the bigger amounts. I thought about it, but I'm such a chicken. All right, so $3 going into our first savings challenge from Miss Frugal. This one is a roll and save that I got as a freebie from her. And all of these savings challenges are freebies. So let's go ahead and add $3. And what I'll do is I'll just add these funds, and then if we can do another round, then we will count it all up at the end. I think that would be a better way to go. This one only needs one more and it'll be completed. So hopefully we can get through another round. $5. This savings challenge is from Dear Fox Budgets. And I was really hoping to get some Mother's Day savings challenges into rotation this month. So I'm glad that I was able to get going on those. $5. Let's mark off 4 and 1. And I hope I'm in frame. $5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, next up we have this beauty from Batty Bankroll. Oh, do we not put, I didn't put cards there. That's why I missed. Okay. All right, so we have $1 plus a $3 misfortune flip again, $6. So 7 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like I'm missing one. Oh, that's it. All right, 7. 7, 7. Let's do, how about a 3 and a 4? I thought this one was really pretty. It kind of gave me Mother Nature vibes versus like Mother's Day, but still so pretty. Oh man, okay, misfortune, flip again, and skip or double. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I saw both those cards, and one was higher, a lot higher. Let's see, flip again. Okay, 3. So I have $5, skip or double, so that makes this $10. If I double it, let's do it. Let's double it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And this savings challenge is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, and we're going to do each elephant $1. So we need to color off 10 elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And these are so super cute because it's a mommy and a baby elephant. Yeah. Let's see here. All right, next savings challenge is from Make Money, Save Money. This one, Tammy, she doesn't have a shop. She made some savings challenges, and just so happened that I got wind of it, and so I decided I would ask if I could get some. All right, so we have $1 plus $3, Miss Fortune, flip again. Yikesy roonies. All right, so we have $3, $4, $5. All right, and I wanted to do each of these $2. So let's do, all right, how are we gonna, did I say $5? 2 for 5, yes. All right, so what we'll do is color in 1, 2, that's 4, and then we'll color in half for 5. Hopefully I can remember to, that's the way I'm handling that. Let's do 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5. I can't count. Okay. All right. And number 6, getting $2. This savings challenge I got from Frugality is Life. And it's a cute little savings challenge that says jamming with you. And I'm going to do each person $1. So we have $2 here today. So let's 1, 2. And we still have some cash, so we're going to try to go for another round. I did grab an IOU if I need it, but I'm hoping that's not the case. All right, we're going to finish this one. Let's see how much we're going to finish it with. Let's just flip $4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is fantastic. So glad to see this. One took me a while because the roll and saves typically take me a little bit longer. All right, so Beyonce saved me 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. $37 is how much this one saved me. I'm just going to write it on there. Not that it really matters, but yay! Love to see it so much. I get discouraged by the ones that are higher amounts in the end, but I figured I have big savings goals, so I want to make sure that I'm working on those. All right, let's see here. This one is now empty. We'll move on from there. And Dear Fox Budgets is getting $1. All right, so we don't have $1 to mark off here, so we're going to fold this $1 so that way we know we don't have a number we can mark off yet. I could color half that too, but we won't work on that. All right, and Batty Bankroll is getting $2. All right, let's add $2 here, and we have a $2 dice we can color off. Perfect. And Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting is getting another $2. Let's color in 2 more elephants. All right. And we're moving on, but we need to shuffle these cards. We only have a few more dollars left. Make Money, Save Money, getting $3. So now we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Love all this saving taking place. Once again, I have some really good savings goals. Not good, but you know, trying to save something. All right, let's see here. $1. Here. Okay, we have a couple more dollars. How do we want to do this? Oh, let's just go back through, see what we can do. I really don't want an IOU. That's my issue. We'll try $1. All right, so remember we had $1 left over, so we can do 2. And I think this is going to be our last round, so I'm just going to go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Making sure none of these are letter bugs because I did not do that. Off to a good start. When I complete the savings challenge, I should have $35. All right, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's all my money. That's all my money. All right. Okay. And this savings challenge has saved me so far 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And let's count this one here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And my Zen Betty Boop, she's saving me 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 so far. I love the savings challenges. It makes me want to dance. From Frugality is like $1, $2, $3 so far is what we have there. So we got to get some savings going in this one. All right, let's see here. We need to, let's move this one to the back because we want to make sure we're focusing on the savings challenges we need to get going. I like to complete my savings challenges before I move on to another set of them. There have been a couple times where I just add it in when I get pretty close, which I really like doing. But let's see here. I need my binder so I can, I think I want to put it back in my family binder. One moment, I'll be right back. All right, this is my family sinking funds binder. This is where I just have an empty envelope to cash. This is where I have an empty envelope to put my cash until I'm ready to do a sinking funds cash stuffing. We did count this up. I will need to get bigger bills. I'm not going to worry about it right now because I don't even know where to begin to find the bigger bills at this point. So let's go ahead and put this cash here, and then that will get us going for next week's sinking funds cash stuffing. I do want to try to complete some other savings challenges. I have my savings Saturdays tomorrow, and then I have my mini Mondays on Monday. I have an idea for mini Mondays. You know what? I'm just going to shut my face because I like coming up with fun things to do for myself to save, or little ideas just, but it always doesn't happen that way, and I'm not going to worry about it. We will be back tomorrow for our savings Saturdays, so that's where we're at. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.